Yaskawa V1000 inverter operation in local mode. Here we testing this inverter before installing any machine. So first press local remote button to activate keypad mode, that's mean local mode, and set a frequency 10 Hz. Pressing up button for frequency out displaying, and press run for operation or operate motor. For 10 Hz frequency, motor will rotate 300 revolution per minute. So now we set 2 Hz frequency, that's mean per second one cycle or one time rotate, and for 1 minute it will rotate about 60 times. Now we will set 50 Hz, that's mean 1500 revolution per minute motor will rotate. Yes, it's running, and press stop for stopping the motor. This way we can run a 3-phase induction motor by inverter. Motor will be driving as per frequency setting. So motor speed depend on the law of 120 F by P, where F equal to output frequency and P means number of motor poles. Here we set changing frequency for varying speed as our requirement.